Wesley of Bluemarine here to talk to you today about the differences between the Victron Autotransformer and Isolation Transformer. This is a question that comes up, and it's completely understandable why there's confusion, given that they're both electrical transformers. Let's run through what makes them different, the key features of each, and common types of installations where they are needed. An autotransformer uses a single shared winding for both its input and output, while an isolation transformer has separate primary and secondary wirings. This means that autotransformers are typically smaller, cheaper, and more efficient, but lack electrical isolation and the safety benefits of an isolation transformer, which is ideal for obviously safety applications where a physical separation between circuits is required. Why might that be so important? I'm so glad you asked. The Victron Isolation Transformer is an incredibly important device, especially in marine energy systems. It both prevents electrolytic corrosion and above all helps to guarantee a safe electric system. Designed with toroidal wound technology for quietness and high efficiency. It also features soft start circuitry to ensure that your shore circuit breaker will not trip when plugged in. And this is the most common application that we see. If your boat is tripping the breakers on your shore power pedestal, an isolation transformer is the answer. The isolation transformer is currently available in 2,000, 3,600, and 7,000 watt variants. Make sure to check the datasheet for details on the voltage each is compatible with. Now, let's talk more about the Victron Autotransformer. This is a professional solution that solves many of the problems that come up when installing a professional power system. Designed for several different wiring configurations, it can increase your system's ability to adapt to different design and voltage requirements, and also be used to balance loads in split-phase 120 or 240 volt AC systems. Specialty systems such as those found in boats and other vehicles may face different shore configurations while traveling. And an autotransformer can help your system by being flexible and enabling connections to most grid configurations. The autotransformer is currently available in two variants, 32 and 100 amp. Make sure that you choose the one that has the capacity to handle the current that you're working with. Now let's talk through some common situations and identify which one of these devices is the best solution to solve the problem. First up, every time you plug your boat into shore power, the breaker trips. An isolation transformer will help solve this problem. The 3600 watt is recommended for 30 amp shore power connections. There isn't yet a single option available in the Victron catalog that is large enough to handle a 50 amp 120 volt shore power service. As this is a more complicated installation, we would recommend consulting with an electrician. Are your anodes disappearing rapidly? Or worse, seeing signs of electrolytic corrosion elsewhere on your boat? Has your marina or a dock neighbor mentioned that they're reading voltage in the water around your boat? These are also situations where you'd want to install an isolation transformer. Do you have a 120 volt system, but need to supply power to one or more 240 volt loads, like an appliance or a pump? An autotransformer will help you step up the voltage from 120 to 240. And here's another common scenario. Are you working with a 240 volt generator, but need to supply power to 120 volt loads? The autotransformer will allow you to step down 240 to 120. And speaking of gensets, some systems may need to have their output balanced prior to bringing that into your system. This is another application where the autotransformer provides a professional solution, making that AC source stable for your system. We hope you found this helpful, but if you have any questions at all about which is the best option for your system, please don't hesitate to reach out or schedule a free system consultation at bluemarine.com. And we'll look forward to talking to you then. To ensure that your toroidal